Hello everyone, and welcome back. Just wanted to post a quick video. Every single week I try to get a video on Northern Seclusion channel here about the farmhouse or whatever, but this weekend I'm not at the farmhouse. I'm up here at the tent deer hunting, so there will be no farmhouse video this week. I know that most of you that are subscribed to the Northern Seclusion channel are also subscribed to Jones Act Survival. But not everybody is. So I'm up here deer hunting with my daughter Sarah. My son Zachary was up here for part of Saturday and part of Sunday. And this is one of the coldest deer hunting openers we've ever had. And Sarah and I were just in here cleaning everything up for tomorrow's departure after the morning hunt. Head back to the cities. I will be back up here next weekend, but I'm also going to stop at the farmhouse and spend a night. So I'll probably get a short video to the Northern Seclusion channel that day. I think I've only mentioned it one time in a video. I think I've mentioned it in comments a couple of times, but we've got the two dogs at the farmhouse, Nelly and Joni. Nelly, she has stage 3 cancer right now, and 3 is the final stage of this type, and her days are really numbered. So we're not even sure that she will make it this whole entire week before we have to put her down. So things are a little bit, a little sad at the farmhouse right now. She's been with us for a very long time. Well, at least I got this video out, so everybody knows why I did not put up a farmhouse video this week. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody, on this brutally cold November day. I'm going to go inside and warm up. I'll see you guys on the next video.